In this video, you will see how to subscript in PowerPoint. We will see 4 methods to write subscript in PowerPoint like this. It's very easy. First, just type the number or the text you want to subscript and select it using your keyboard or a mouse. After selecting, just right click on it and you will see here the option of font. Click on it and you will see this font dialog box. Under this font, you will see the option of Subscript. Click on this box to tick it and then click on OK. So this is the first method. In the second method, after selecting the number or text, under the Home tab, you will see here X at the bottom to a subscript option. Click on it and you will get the subscript. So this is the second method. In the third method, if you are writing an equation, then go to the Insert tab and click on Equation. A equation box will appear. Just click inside it. And under the Equation tab, go to the Script option and select the second option, which is a subscript. You will get these boxes. Now just type what you want inside the boxes to get the subscript. The fourth method is a keyboard shortcut. After selecting the number or a text, just press and hold the control button on your keyboard and press equal to. In this way you can write subscript in PowerPoint easily. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn PowerPoint quickly. See you again in the next one.